Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to introduce the new product on my right hand. This pharmacy refrigerators, and let me give the overall dimensions first. For the units length, they are almost about like 18.5 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like 18 inches. Overall height is about like 23 and 1/4 inches tall. So we're looking at the units. We come in with the front door with the lockers on top of it, and set with the glass, the windows. You can take a views for the inside, and they do have the temperature display right here, controllers with the function settings and the light settings right here. So when you open it, we can find there's a light right in its place. And the dimensions, they come in with the 2 layers, and the top layers, they have a small racks on it. So the unit's entire depth, it is about like 13 inches deep. And the overall height for the unit is about like 16.5 inches tall. So the compressor mount at the behind of the stairs, and you can close it. They have a gasket to keep the ceilings. And looking at the side of the units, we do have the ETL sanitation stickers on it and all the diagram informations and cost sheets. Look at the back, they have a coils at behind, and also they do have a standard 110 plugs from the manufacturer offered. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.